Good morning, students. Class 8. As in the last video, I just told you about how to find the square root. Now just see what is it. Okay. The next question is, for each of the following number, find the smallest whole number by which it should be multiplied. So get to a perfect square. Okay, student, just see here. There is here a number. Okay, we have to make it a perfect square. So I just made the LCM by prime factorization method. In that, 2 2, it's a perfect, 3 3 is perfect, the 7 is alone, it is unpaired. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to multiply 7 on both the side. Why? In the question it has been given you should be multiplied to get a perfect square. So 7 I just multiply on both the side to balance the question. So 252 into 7 is 1764, and here it became 2 square, 3 square, as it was already there. 7 which was unpaired, I had given him a pair, so 7 square. So 2 3s are 7, 2 3s are 6, 6 into 7 is 42 square. So the square root of 1764 is 42, which is 252 should be multiplied by the smallest whole number 7 to get a perfect square. And student, this type of question can be asked in 3 marks. Okay, in the same way you have to do the rest of all question. So again I am just explaining you. 180 is the question. Okay, you have to make a prime factorization method LCM, which doesn't have a pair, is 5. So we have to multiply 5 on both the side. So 180 into 5 is 900, and here 5 become a pair. So 2 square, 3 square, 5 square, which is 2 3s are 6, 5s are 30 square. So the square root of 900 is 30. Okay, now the next question related to that. Here, for each of the following number, find the smallest number which it should be divided. Before it was multiplied and now it should be divided to get a perfect square. So you have to read the question carefully whether what the question wants to say. Either they want to multiply and get a perfect square or to divide and get a perfect square. Okay, so the same question, 252. Again you have to make a LCM with the help of prime factorization method. So the unpaired value is 7. So we have to divide 7 on both the side. Okay, 252 divided by 7, we got the answer 36. And here dividing, so this 7 cancel. So 2 pair and 3 pair. To 2 square, 3 square is 6 square. So the square root of 36 is 6, which is 252 should be divided by smallest whole number 6 to get a perfect square. Okay, same again I am explaining you one more. The question is 2925. Here I had just made a LCM. Here 3 was also having a pair, 5 was also having a pair, 13 is alone. So what should we do? We should divide 13 on both the sides. So 2925 divided by 13, and here also. So the answer comes 225, and 3 square, 5 square, it means 15 square. So 225 the square root of 15. So 2925 should be divided by smallest whole number 13 to get a perfect square. Okay, now there are some problems where there, in that problem they had told that the amount of students should be donated is equal to number of student classes. Okay, जितने बच्चे हैं उतना ही amount students को donate किया गया है. So I had taken let the number of student be x, and the total amount they had given 2401. Okay, so amount of each student donated is equal to number of student in the class. So amount donated by the student is rupees x. We don't know how much student had donated the amount. So that total amount is x into x. So x square. So the x square is 2401. Make a LCM. Okay. So 7 square, it means 49. So x is equal to 49. It means that in a class there are 49 students and each student had donated 49 rupees. Hence the number of students in a class is 49. Same question. Let the number of rows be x and number of plants in each row will be x. Okay, जितनी भी रो है, रो means in a line how many plants will be there, that much row will be there. Okay, so I had written let the number of rows be x and number of rows is equal to number of plants in each row, so that also be x. So number of plants to be planted in a garden means x into x, which is x square. Now they had given a total amount is 2025 plants were there. So we have to find that how many rows are there and how many plants were there in each row. So by LCM I got 45. So there are 45 rows there, and in each row there are 45 plants. Okay, now here They had given you the 3 value and they told you to find the LCM and what will be the required number by multiplying it. Okay, so from LCM, so I just made the LCM. 2 having a pair, 3 having a pair. Which pair is not there? For 5. So the prime factor 5 is unpaired. So 180 must be multiplied by 5, which is 900. So 900 is the required perfect number. Okay. The same as the second one. In this, okay, in this the unpaired values are much more. 2 having no pair, 3 having no pair, and 5 having no pair. So total 2 into 3 into 5 means 30. So 3600, and is that a required number for this LCM value? Now today we are going to learn new, and that is estimation method, or we can say division method. In old book or in previous book, that last year book, we are telling estimation method, but this year it was division method. Just listen carefully how to do it. Okay, 2304, how to divide it? Okay, first see the 2 digit 23, right? So you have to see over here a square. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. 25 is the biggest number in 23, so we don't have to take it. So we have going to take 4. 4 4s are 16. जितना भी ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई करा है उतना प्लस करना है. तो 4 + 4 8. 23 - 16 704. ओके, 704 डिवाइड बाय 8 करो, क्या वैल्यू आएगी? द आंसर कम 88. ओके, सो 88 8s are 704. जितना ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई किया उतना वापस प्लस करना है. सो इट बिकम 96. सो द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2304 इज़ 48. जो यहाँ आंसर आएगा उसका डबल ये होना चाहिए. इज इट ओके? सी द सेकेंड वन, 3481. ओके, 5 square is 25 and 6 square is 36. तो 5 5s are 25. जितना मल्टीप्लाई किया उतना ऐड किया. 5 5 10. 34 - 25 981. सो 981 9s आ करें 109 9s आ 981. जितना ऊपर मल्टीप्लाई किया 9 किया तो 9 ऐड करेंगे तो 1 1 18 and here becomes 0. So it is 59. Okay, if you don't understand, repeat the video and see it. Okay, the sums are like this only. Okay, thank you.